Guys, here much awaited movie, much awaited movie adaptation of Colin Hoover's best-selling books. It ends with us. Here the writer is Colin Hoover and book is It Ends With Us has finally arrived on big screen, featuring Black Lively and Justin Baldoni in lead roles. So Baldoni has also directed the film, which hit in theater on 9 August. So here few more words for film. The film revolves around Lily Bloom, a woman with a traumatic childhood who moves to Boston to start a new chapter in her life. A chance meeting with charming neurosurgeon Rachel Kincaid sparks an intense, but as the two fall deeply in love, Lily begins to see sides of Rachel that remind her of her parents' relationships. The movie synopsis also available. You can check and these the few words about movie. So you can see in theater of this movie of Colin Hoover best-selling book. It ends with us here role playing by Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni lead role. Thank you.